Now you all know that who runs the trade union in America. He never lets anything pass him. And second, I want to say, Leo and I do appreciate Ohio. We appreciate the fact that Sandusky, Ohio. We have a private suspicion we may have told you about Sandusky because we encountered that story about Sandusky's year over at Wind Technology at the Cleveland Science Museum before we met with you. So we were there for Ohio, maybe before you were. While that can come up, the Northwest is a place where great American ideas have rolled out, and Barbara has brought a new great American idea, the idea that the best paying jobs, the cleanest communities, the most wonderful places to live will come when the people who make things shape them. Come on up.
Thank you all. I'm very honored by this. I do want to say, though, that I feel like I'm accepting this award partially on behalf of the leaders of all the state and local Apollo organizations around the country. I want you have them at your tables. I want you to know that these are the people that, while we had the worst anti-union, anti-environment, anti-clean energy administration in Washington, D.C., kept this green dream alive. These are the people that were the grassroots organizers, were building the Apollo coalitions on the ground, coming up with creative ideas for projects that would bring people out of poverty and into environmentally productive jobs. I want the state and local leaders that are here in the room to stand up and let people recognize the pretty work we've done. And the other thing I want to say is that when I was elected Secretary-Treasurer 4 years ago, myself and the President realized that we needed a more proactive economic development strategy in Oregon. And we looked around, and the organization that was doing the most work to think about how do you create jobs and make sure that they're good jobs, that they're union jobs, that they provide health care benefits, was the Apollo Alliance. And with the help of Jeremy Hayes, who many of you know, and Ron Ruggiero now, both of whom lived in Portland, what a coincidence, we were able to build the Oregon Apollo Alliance, and I think we've made a good contribution toward making Oregon not just a state known for its green environmental values, but also a state that's known for creating good jobs and providing health benefits and helping workers organize when they want to organize and have a good life for their families. So thank you all. I love the Apollo Alliance. Thank you.